Hello students, welcome back in a new session. In this session, we will discuss arithmetic assignment operator. This operator first performs arithmetic operations and then assigns the resultant value to a variable. So for example, if we have one variable that is a equal 100, now we got the resultant value of a, then it would print 300. So left side and right side of equal operator, we write same variable. So we write a variable only one time at left side. So it is also called as shorthand operator. How it will be work? A is equals to a plus 200. Here we have the value of a is 100. So here we will write 100 plus 200 and find a equals to 300. This is the procedure in which we use only one variable. So the following are the arithmetic assignment operators that are available in Python programming. Here we have different kind of operators: plus equals to, minus equals to, multiplication equals to, division equals to, floor division equals to, modulus division equals to, and power of equals to. So such kind of variables are especially beneficial for big variable name. So today we have an assignment about this arithmetic assignment operator. So you may try at your home. So accept any two integer numbers from the user. First we will have the two integer values from the user side, then perform arithmetic assignment operators on given data. Okay, so this is the problem which you can solve, and right after we discuss the solution about this. So the solution of this problem is here we have a solution of this problem. Now let's take a real-time example using the cell interface. Now this is batch mode interface. Here we write the program and we'll save the program and run the program using R and run. Now we have taken the value from the user side. So enter first integer, that is we have taken 10 and 2, and we have taken the total answer of each and every variable like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, row division, modular division, and power. So that's all about the arithmetic assignment operators. I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.